my name's Anna and I'm one of the artist educators at DC Learn. Today's DC Learn mini make is going to be a digital edition and I'm going to show you how to make a card in Canva.com. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go onto Canva.com, create an account, log in and click on this search bar. Type in card, select the top option and then click on create a blank card. So you can definitely make some really cool graphic things for free on Canva.com, but you need to be aware that there are some paid elements. If you hover over an item and it says free, then you're good. If it doesn't, or if it's got a crown and it says pro, then that's a paid item and you need to avoid that. So to make your card, you can start by using a template, but I think you should start from scratch. So let's use this button to hide the templates bar. If you click on your page, you'll get a selection for the background colour. You can change these really easily and you can come back to this later if you're not sure. So the first thing I'm going to add is some text. You can use some normal text and go into the settings and change it, or you can choose one of these free font titles. I'm going to try this one. So all you do is click on it and it will pop up here. You can use these white circles to resize. You can drag it around the screen. You can use this arrow button to rotate it, and you can also go into it and change what it says. So I'm going to make a Christmas card. So I'm also going to add something at the bottom which just says love from DC. So again, I'm just going into that, rewriting what I want. There's lots of different fonts. Again, the crown ones are paid, so avoid those. I've used this virtual one, it's called before, and I really like it. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger and I'm going to change the colour. Okay, so once you've got your text, you can also add some pictures, and that will come in the Elements tab. So you can use shapes, you can use stickers and charts, all sorts of things. You can also add photographs by choosing from this or uploading your own. I'm going to have a look at a snowman picture. So you just type what you like, make sure you're choosing the free ones, and then select the one you want by clicking. Again, you can move it, spin it around. With this one you can also change the colour, so for example the red in his scarf, I could change to pink, I could change the green stripes to blue, I could even change the colour of the snowman to something different if I wanted, but I'm going to stick with cream. There we go. You can also crop and flip everything. So the final thing I want to show you is how to move different layers in front of each other or behind each other. So for example, let's say I want to put one of these gradients behind my Happy Christmas. So I'm going to use this funky blob and I want that to go behind my lettering there. So at the moment it's in front. So what I do is right click and press send backward, or you can press send to back and that will put it behind the text. Okay, you can also change the colour of the gradients, which is quite cool. If you decide you don't like something that you've done, you can use the undo button here to go back and the redo button to go forward. So I quite like that. I'm going to leave that as it is. You can spend as long as you want playing around with your card. So you can spend a really long time playing around with your design, choosing different colours and seeing what works. When you're ready, use this button here to download your picture. Just click on it and then press the purple download button. And there you go, there's your image. So you can save that to your desktop, you can send it in an email, you can post it on Facebook, whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to, please post your pictures on social media and hashtag DC Learn Mini Make so we can see what you make. Bye!